In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to use a very natural plant to make a lot of money. In fact, miraculous money. Money that you even be surprised yourself that how did I come about this money? Because money will be coming in from right, left, front and center. I hear a lot of people complain, that they are not making money, things are tight. Not with this natural plant that I will be discussing with you. You are welcome back. The name of the plant or the name of the leaf that I'm going to be sharing with you is known as miracle leaf. Some people call it leaf of life, and scientifically it is called Bryophyllum pinnantum. If I don't call it very well, please pardon me. You can Google it and get the exact scientific name. But there are so many names to this wonderful and miraculous leaf. No wonder it is called miracle leaf. Like I said, some people call it leaf of life, some people call it gourd plant, some people call it cathedral bells. It has so many names. And in Yoruba, because I'm Yoruba, we call it abamoda. Abamoda, ewe abamoda leaf. That's what we call it. Now, the name miracle leaf, you should get what this plant does from that name. It does a lot of things. It does a lot of miraculous things, and it has so many benefits and uses. A lot of people, health-wise, it has so many uses. You can use it for cough, you can use it for hypertension, you can use it in so many ways. But I'm not going to be looking at the health benefit. Rather, I'm going to be looking at the spiritual benefit. And talking about the spiritual benefit, there are so many benefits, so many spiritual benefits of this plant. And there are different ways of using this plant. So I'm going to be telling you one or two ways by which you can use this miracle leaf. And if you want to use this leaf very well, the way the Yorubas use it, I use it the way the Yorubas use it. If you want to use it very well, the way you use it, you must have another natural ingredient. That is alligator pepper and or honey. You can also have honey and alligator pepper. So let us get into it. For those of us who don't know how the leaf looks like, I'll be linking leaf. And before I go, I want to tell you, this leaf can grow anywhere. It can grow indoors, it can grow outdoors, and it is very easy to plant. If you just drop it and it has a germinating, it will germinate. Even if you put it inside the pages of a book, it will germinate, it will start germinating. So it is very easy. You can use it as ornamental leaf. You can plant it, ornamental plant. You can plant it in a flower pot. You can plant it. You can put it just in a jug of water or in a cup of water, and you see it sprouting. You can put it outside, plant it outside, but preferably I would advise you to, if you have a compound, you have a building of your own, you can put it in your home. So we are going to be using this miracle leaf to attract a lot of miracle money, a lot of money that your neighbors will even be jealous of you, that where is this guy seeing money? Because there is no day that you use this leaf that money will not be coming to you. So that is why I say I advise you to plant it in your home. So how do you do this? The first way to use it to attract money is early in the morning. If you are, before you go to work, or before you go to your store, or before you go to your shop, before you go to your office, just go there. Just go to the leaf. Just hold one like this in your hand, just talk to it. As I'm going out today, I want to attract a lot of money. I want money to be coming to me from right, left, front, back, center, everywhere. I want to attract a lot. I want people to be blessing me. I want people to favor me with money. I want to be receiving money from right, from left. So you say this and you pluck it. Once you pluck it, just a leaf, just pluck a leaf and get a seed of alligator pepper. Just one seed is okay. So all you need to do is just put the seed on the leaf, wrap it and put it in your mouth. And by the way, miracle leaf is edible. You can eat it. It does not have any particular taste. It's not bitter, but it's just normal. Just put it in your mouth, because the leaf itself is full of water. It contains a lot of water. Just put it in your mouth, chew it. Make sure you chew it with the alligator pepper. Just one leaf of one leaf of miracle leaf, one leaf of the plant. Just pluck one, put one seed, just one seed of alligator pepper. Just put it, wrap it and put it in your mouth and chew it. I bet you, just do this. I bet you there is no day that you use this that you don't receive money. People will just bless you with money. You will see money. And for those of you who used to claim that any natural thing does not work for them, it is not in the recipe that we are giving you or that I'm giving you. It is in you. So the thing you should start doing is to start cleansing. Just cleanse yourself. Look for ways to cleanse yourself. There are so many ways to cleanse. You can use salt cleansing. You can use black oil cleansing. There are so many. I've done so many videos. You can check it and see how to do it. And talking about the recipe, this miracle leaf with alligator pepper, I've done a video telling you how to use alligator pepper properly. You have to open alligator pepper the right way if you want to use it. So you must open it the right way. And open it the right way, just take it to the back before you open it. Once you open it, just take one seed out of it and use. Then you keep it, because you'll be using it from time to time. Yeah, for me, I do it every day. And I'm imploring to do it every day. Because if you do it every day, you see the benefit. At least the first 7 days, just do it. The first 7 days straight, do it, and you see the result. Now, the second way to use miracle leaf to attract abundance, to attract lots of money, is in this way. The ingredients you'll be needing for this second recipe is you need 14 pieces or 14 leaves of this miracle plant. 14 leaves. You pluck 14. Then you get 14 seeds of alligator. Then honey. Original undiluted honey. You need original honey. Try to use original honey. It makes it to work very fast. So you use original honey. These are the 3 ingredients you are going to use. So how do you use this? Simple. Make sure you squeeze the leaves, the 14 leaves. Squeeze it somewhere, and all you need is the water. If you squeeze it, the water that will come out. When the water come out, just filter it. The water is what you need. Now you add 3 spoons of the honey. You add it, because you get the water into a bowl. Just get 3 spoons of honey, put it inside. Then you need 14 alligator seed. Join it together. Use your hand to stir it, the middle finger now. Use it to stir it very well. Once you use it to stir it very well, then offer your prayers. Offer your intentions. What are you going to be saying? I want money to come to me. I want money to come to me. I want abundance to come to me. I want financial abundance. If you are using it for health, because it works for health, you say, I need good health. I need good health. Whatever you want, you are desiring, just say it into it. Say it into it. It's a money puller. It works, because that is why it is called miracle leaf. Just say it into it. After then, go to your bed, get into the bedroom, pour it into your bathing water. No, and in this case, you are using a pail. You are using a pail or bucket to get your water, the one that you are using to bathe. Add this. Once you add it, stir it very well. Then you start bathing with it. You don't need soap. You don't need soap. You don't need sponge for this. And I would suggest you do it early in the morning. Why? Because once you finish using it, don't use towel. Don't dry. Let your body dry naturally. Don't use towel. Don't use towel. Just let your body dry naturally. So once you go out, there is no way you use this and go out and you won't see something. Even if things have been tight, things will start easing up. For better result, I would suggest you do this for the first 7 days. Normally, you should do it for 14 days. But if you cannot do it for 14 days, use it for the first 3 to 7 days. 3 to 7 days. But there is no way you want to, even if you use it for 1 day, it's going to be effective on you. Because a lot of people will ask me, when should I start seeing results? If you use it for a day, you see results. You might not see 1 million or 5 million, but that particular day that use it, somebody will favor you. Money will come to you, and you come and testify to me. I hope I've given you value in this video. If you have gotten value, just give me a thumbs up, then like. And for those who have not subscribed, please subscribe. It is free. You see the subscribe button, it is reading boldly in red. Just click on it. A bell will come. Click on that bell, which is the notification bell. Just click on it and click on the all, so that when next I release videos like this, you'll be the first to be notified. Until I come your way again, remain spiritually intelligent, and don't forget, we can succeed together. Thanks.